Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Oh no, not good. Well, today in my kitchen I'm gonna be making some curry goat. So I have the goat meat here already washed. So these are my ingredients here. I have the last of my green seasoning here. I'm just gonna use it up. I have some curry here, turmeric, allspice, black pepper, sazan, adobo, some Maggi all-purpose. As you guys know by now, I do love my Maggi all-purpose. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and season. Like I said, I wash it already. Some meat seasoning, guys. Okay, go ahead and use my sazan, my adobo, oil, my all-purpose. And guys, this is something that we love to eat back in the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica. That I know of Jamaica. Let me speak of Jamaica because I'm a Jamaican. This is a perfect choice, especially at 9 nights. You guys call week back in America. Here we call it 9 nights. We always cook this for setup and all of that. Curry goat and white rice. That are the lick. Most definitely. Black pepper. Just some Cajun, guys. Okay. And I love to use turmeric and curry powder together. And also when I'm cooking it, I'm going to add some in the oil to burn it a little. Okay. I have the last of my green season leaf, so I'm just going to use it up. And in my green season, guys, I have garlic, thyme, pimento, ginger, parsley. No powder season whatsoever is not in it. Only green. No powder season is not in my green season. I only have like thyme, scallion, onion, ginger, pimento, parsley, a piece of celery, stuff like that. It's in it. See, it's all done. So I'm gonna have to make some more. Just keep it in the fridge. Alright, I'm using some cooking oil, guys. And maybe you're wondering, oh, where's the pepper? Curry goat is a spicy food. The pepper is in the green seasoning, but I'll put some when it's almost cooked. I'll definitely put some in. I really didn't want to use my hands because the curry sometimes kind of stain your fingernails, and so I think I'm gonna have to rub it in with this to get it incorporated properly. My hands are clean, guys. Man, this is smelling so good already. Like I said, when I'm cooking it, guys, I'm going to definitely burn before I start cooking it, I'm going to burn some more curry in the oil. Right. And I won't put any salt in this until I'm cooking it to see where it's at. Because remember, some of the seasonings are very salty, so when it's cooking and I taste it, I'll know if I need any salt in it. Alright? And guys, curry is something that I love very, very much. But you gotta be careful. You have to cook it properly, and you really can't use a lot too. You have to be careful because it will be so bitter if you use too much. Okay, guys, I'm telling you, man, this is smelling absolutely Mm, mm. There it is. Just gonna let this marinate. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, this is the curry goat that I season. This is well marinated in the fridge a day now. So I'm just gonna start cooking now. But first guys, I'm going to be burning some more curry in more oil. This technique guys is commonly used when doing curry dishes. Okay, I'm also gonna add some ginger in it too. And guys, even though we talk about burning the curry, let me tell you, you don't want it to burn to the point where it's bitter, because it can get bitter if you do it like that. You don't need about more than about 30 seconds or so. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add my curry in. Guys, what I do, I use my green seasoning like I said earlier, and it also has pimento, ginger, scallion, bell peppers, hot pepper, you know, parsley, stuff like those, herbs and all of that is in it, all my herbs and all of that. So it's blended in my green seasoning that I use to season this. So when it's almost done cooking guys, I'm going to add my potato to it with some added seasoning, scallion and thyme and so on. That's how I cook my curry goat. I don't know about anybody else, but that's how I do it in my kitchen. Alright, I always season my curry goat twice. Alright, so I'll see you about that. Okay guys, so I'm just going to let this cook at medium to high heat, medium to high. Alright, and also going to set my kettle on, because I use hot water to add to my meat should it need water. Okay, alright. You just want to stir it guys, you don't want it to burn at the bottom. Just kind of keep stirring it. Don't just put it on the stove and forget about it, no. Alright. Guys, cooking. And my seasoning here guys, I'm gonna add to it. Have some potato. This is the size I cut them in. Okay. I put them in fairly close to the end because I don't want them to break away in the pot, like overcook. I want them to cook solid and firm. Alright, just have some onion and thyme and scallion and bell peppers here. Yes guys, so this is how I cook my goat. Okay. Right guys, so I'm gonna add my Irish and my season in now. Allow this to just cook and finish. Smelling so good. Remember guys to like my channel, subscribe, comment, share. Please smash the like button.